Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Happy New Year 2025. Well, I don't know the year you'll be watching this, but whichever year it is, Happy New Year, Happy New Day, Happy New Week. Well, this year started with what the fuck? But anyways, as we kickstart this year, we hope you're going to be more consistent this year, because last year we tried, we got somewhere, but we want to go further. This year manifestation of 50k subscribers. Damn! And we just said 9k. Anyways, in today's video, it's all about how to fold a bandana easily in 3 different ways. I'm just going to show you 3 ways in which you can actually achieve the last result. It's all upon you to choose the one best fits you, or then you feel it's the easiest, blah blah blah, all those considerations. And as we dive into that, please make sure that you like this video. You can share us out there, just tell someone about this channel, tell them we do exist, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. So with no further ado, Happy New Year! Excitement! This is kind of the first video we're going to post. The first video of the year. So let's dive into it. What you need is flat surface and a bandana, definitely. And if you feel like your hair is going to disturb, you can just hold it. But remember, in these tutorials I stated, styling up 3 different ways for free. So make sure as we a little continue, click that like button, and also check out in the description an extra link to more tutorials. That is just a bonus for people who watch the very end. Okay, so here is my bandana. You have to have such, not a must. The color isn't, it's been long. I haven't done these videos in quite some time, so forgive me guys. So the color isn't an issue, but also the type of bandana isn't an issue. That will come later when you're going to be doing tutorials on a specific artist or specific specification. So right now, any kind of bandana fits in the mix. Let's continue. So here's my bandana, and here is my flat surface. Apparently, I'm going to focus more on the bandana because that's where the juice is at, and not at me. I know I'm beautiful, but anyways, this year I'm like, I'm beautiful, I am healthy. Anyways, let's focus right here, because here's the flat surface and this is the bandana. Make sure that once you're placing it on your flat surface, the inner side faces the upper side. Okay, yeah, and follow every step I show you to the very end. And setup, I just got hit, but anyways, this year I started off by being hit to left and right, and I pray that I do not end the year in any more fights or any more anger arguments or high volume arguments anywhere. I just want it to be peaceful. I just realized I ain't a fighter. Sorry, I was feeling cold. I just picked my candle. I'm a fighter, but not that physical fighter. Or I don't know. Anyways, that's not the thing. So where we place your bandana on a flat surface, making sure that the inner side is facing towards the top. How do you identify the inner side? The inner side is whereby the inner side is the side in which the sewing is being sewn. Okay, in my case it's this side. So it did that way. Pick one side, one end, and then take it to the other end. Then you have something like that. You can rotate it to have it that way. This is step number 1 and style number 1 on how you can easily, quickly. The first is the way in which you can hold a bandana. The other way you do it, the other step actually, is you pick this side, this tip. We have this straight tip, and then we have this one that forms something like a V. You pick this end and then bring it to the top like that, and then you're going to have something like that. Well, this may be quite big or huge depending on the size that you want, so you can go on ahead to take the extra step of making another fold from this side still, so that you can have something small. You can choose to iron it out as you continue in every fold, in after every fold. So that is what you have at the very end, something like that. This is what you have had for the first time, okay? If that wasn't so easy for you, we can always go to step number 2. And as we dive into that, make sure that you do like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tell someone about this challenge. And we go, mama. Shush. Okay, so you have something like that from the first step. The other way in which you can do it is we're just good. The first step in every extra style is kind of the same, but as we proceed, that's where we get some changes. Okay, that's where we get some changes, or a change in an extra step. So just the way we did from the first step. Actually, what you can do to make it seem different, even if it's just it's the same, is when you have the bandana like this facing towards the top, you just rotate it to have something like a star, like that, a star. This year, I want to be a star this year. I pray it happens, and I hope it happens. Either way, that's where we have a star like that, and then one tip of the end, or one tip or one end of the stars, one corner of the stars, whichever name you give it, just fold it towards the other corner. So from this one, I'll take this one, the one that is right near me, to the one that is near you, like that, and we're having the same shape as in the beginning. We're just showing you easy ways in which you can actually have your bandana folded quickly. And so the other thing is, previously we had ourselves fold it from this tip towards this end, the tip that forms the V towards the straight part, but it can actually change, and you're the one to decide which one looks way better. So in this particular step 2 or style 2, we are going to start from this end to make the fold. So you fold it towards that end like that, and you'll have something huge still, but then turn it, rotate it, we let it face towards the top, whereby we can see the V now. We can see where the V is, and still from this area whereby it's the straight part, we make another fold to make it smaller. And once again, we have our bandana well folded. You can place it on your head, on your neck, on your hand, back pocket, front shirt pocket. All those tutorials we're going to be doing them later on. That's until you need to make sure that you do subscribe. Okay? The third style, or the third manner in which you can actually fold these is so easy. With it like this, still facing the inner side facing towards the top. Remember, we said you can rotate it. Now by now you already have 2 ways in which you can actually make the first step, the first fold and fold. Okay, so with this like that, I'm still using the star way, but now I'm going to start from this side to this side. This is my right hand towards my left hand to make the fold, and then rotate it for you to see what you're doing, and then you're having something like that. And then you don't have to make the small, you can make the small folds like that, but in this case I want to show you something different. You're going to roll it. And there you go, you have your bandana folded. So easy. Let me give you a bonus tip, the one you've just seen right there. And please make sure that you do like this video, share it out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. With it like that, with it like that, with it like that, I can make small folds from this top area towards the area that looks like a V. Just small folds. Instead of rolling it the way we did it, you can always make those tiny folds. And voila, your bandana is folded. Now it's all upon you to decide where you want to place it. Easy. And on that note, please like this video. Remember, we've done so many tutorials and we're yet to do more on different ideas and all product reviews, name them all. So make sure that you share this video out there, tell someone about it, talk to me in the comment section. I always enjoy those comments. And if you want to watch more of my videos, thank you so much for watching this one. Just click right here. Is it here or this side? Just somewhere. I'll place more videos right there. And in the comment section there is a link to more tutorials.